This is what the fish looks like. Hi guys, so today I will be showing you an updated 2022 pesto sauce, which includes some garlic cloves, a ball of tomato, some scallions, and also half of a sweet bell pepper. Alongside that, we'll be adding in some Creole seasoning from the specific brand right here, and also some Goya adobo powder. A teaspoon each of these will be going into the blender. A teaspoon of Creole seasoning is now going in. Okay, and that's it. And now you just blend it up. Okay, so right here we have our pile of beautiful orange roughy fish that was marinated in some lime alongside some water for 30 minutes. So now I'm gonna take our homemade pesto sauce right here and just coat the pesto sauce over the fish. Okay, so we poured in some some oil, and now we're adding in our homemade pesto sauce. 3 tablespoons. So now we're cooking our orange roughy fish in this pan. On the bottom, we had poured in 4 tablespoons of our homemade pesto sauce. Now we're going to add in some cloves. Okay, 3 squeezes of lime. Okay, half a teaspoon of salt is now going in. Okay, so let this fish cook for about 15 minutes. Low heat. This is what the fish looks like.